across to Dr. Jaydev Sarangi also. Now, you've been in the bureaucracy. Will it not be fair to say that the bureaucracy has completely failed? It's just not working on the ground, Dr. Sarangi.
Yeah, in fact, some of the people are making accusations and counter allegations against people in different sectors. But this is no time for blame game. It's a crisis of unprecedented nature. And at this point in time, bureaucracy is working to the maximum capacity. But at the same time, it needs to be done in a very unusual manner. How do you go about it? You got to augment the resources, like distribution across the country or procurement or transportation of oxygen from all over the country and transferring it everywhere to the every nook and corner is not an easy job. So what you got to do is in the existing setup, it's not possible. You got to do out of box thinking. Rather than doing that, we are engaging in blaming one part or the other. Bureaucracy at the district level to the central government level or the state level, they are doing their best. But you cannot either overstretch the bureaucracy, nor you can overstretch the medical professionals or any other organization for that matter. What you got to do is to put together all the resources, which is the need of the day, which we are not able to do it.
Okay. But it is a strong statement. If the army has to be called in to sort out these issues, I mean, it's an indictment of the governments and the bureaucracy that effectively rule the public. That's a larger question we have to ask. If army has to come in to help everything, then what is the government and the bureaucracy